Hey guys, welcome back to Gavin's Garage. Okay, today we're going to be testing the 9500 on the RV. We're going to try to do a full load test. We're going to try to get this thing up to its rated watts, hopefully 7,600, and see what it can do. Okay, let's get this test started. Thanks for watching Gavin's Garage. Guys, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and push that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. And let's get this test started. As you know, the 9500 is rated for 9,500 starting and 7,600 running. It says it puts out a maximum wattage of 63.3 amps. This is a 50 amp RV. Let's see what we can run. I'm not going to try to stress out the generator. I'm just going to see if we can run majority of the loads inside the RV. That's loads that you would use on a daily basis. AC, fridge, stove, water heater, stuff like that, okay? So let's get the test started. One, I can use the 4-pin to the 50 amp, which will plug directly into this. So I'll plug this in right here. And what's the key? Like this. I'll plug this in here. Then I get power to my RV. This allows me to pull 2 leg of 120 at 30 amps, giving me the maximum output from this generator. Or you can get really creative and use a wire adapter. So you plug one into here, one into there, and you could pull 30 amps out of this one, 30 amps out of that one. The way you do this wire adapter has a 50 amp and 2 30 amp. I would use these adapters to get my 30 amp. So I'll plug 1, 3 right here. Then I'll plug a 4-pin into this one. Then you get your wire adapter. And you see they're never correct to plug them in. They just put them whichever way they want. You have to twist them around and all kind of stuff. That's why I'm gonna use the other one. So this is one way you can do it. The way I'm gonna do it, less connections. So I'll use this plug. I'll connect to my surge guard. Okay, once I connect my surge guard, I can connect my RV right here. So I'm protected from the generator, power. And the reason I always use a surge guard, guys, is if your generator were ever to shut off or run out of gas, the surge guard would shut off before you get that low voltage, so it would protect your RV electronics, okay? That's why I always tell you guys, use a surge guard. I'm gonna show you guys some inexpensive surge guards you can use. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the RV hooked up, get the generator warmed up, and get this test started. All right, guys, so we got everything connected. I got the surge guard, the generator. Let me go ahead and fire up the generator, get it warmed up. Okay, so what's happening right now is the generator is warming up, so the surge guard is giving it time to warm up, check the power, and make sure everything is secure before it introduces power to the RV. So it's gonna do that for like 128 seconds. Then it should allow the generator should be warmed up and ready to go. Okay, we just introduced power. So you see leg 1 is putting out 126 and leg 2 is 126, 4 amps. So as you can see, this generator puts out 2 legs of power. Each leg has 30 amps. That's how you're gonna get your 60 amps, okay? So we're gonna be cycling through the legs. Let me zoom this in. Okay guys, so while the generator is idling, let's do a 20 feet. It's probably not going to be as accurate because it's going to be bouncing off the wall, but give you an idea. About 65 decibels. We'll do another one when there's full load, okay? About 75, right up. Okay guys, let's head into the RV. Okay, we're in the RV. First thing we're gonna do is turn on all the lights. So this test, using the 9500, this is the first time I'll be able to power on the water heater. I've never done a water heater test. Okay, let's go ahead and get this calibrated. Okay guys, this is the sine wave coming from the 9500. Okay, this thing has absolutely no distortion. I'm just gonna keep the oscilloscope running so we can see it through the different loads, but as you can see, there is absolutely no distortion in this waveform. I mean, I'm looking at this, it is clean power. That is clean power. Wow. Okay. Let's go ahead and turn the refrigerator on. Absolutely no distortion. Let's get it cooled down in here. All right, first AC on. First AC came on, absolutely zero. Second AC on. Waveform still perfect. You can see a little load distortion right here. It's not that perfect. Second AC should be coming on here in a minute. They're hot, so it's gonna pull some amps. Second AC just came on. Still perfect waveform. Okay, so we got 2 AC running and still right at 68. Let's go down to 20 feet. $64.5. 2 AC and the refrigerator running. Both legs pulling 11 amps. That gives you 22 amps. Okay guys, let's turn on the hot water heater, see what electric right here. Okay, so we're up there on leg number 2, pulling 24 amps. Leg 1, 12. Okay, guys, so let's see what leg the microwave is on. Okay, microwave, 1 minute. All right, guys, there you go. You guys see it? That's way over 50, okay? Got 52. Predator pulling 52 amps, and its waveform is still perfect. 52 amps, and we're at 70 dB, full amps. 69. So let's do we got all the lights, okay? Refrigerator, 2 ACs, hot water heater, electric, and the microwave running. We got the 52 amps. Voltage never dropped. All right, let's turn on all the TVs. 1, 2, 3. Okay, outside. 4. Okay, guys, we're gonna try this again. We're gonna run the microwave one more time. 1 minute. All right, sine wave is perfect. Decibel meters, 70. Let's check the voltage. Let's see if we have a voltage drop. Zero voltage drop. Zero voltage drop on the Predator 9500. We're pulling 28 amps on one and 25 amps on the other one. Guys, I'm up there. The only thing I can do is turn on the heater, but all right, let's shut both ACs off. Shut the fridge. And all the lights. Unplug before and shut off. Okay, guys, I just turned on everything I could possibly turn on in this 50 amp RV, and the generator worked absolutely perfect. No power loss, no voltage drop, no surging, absolutely flawlessly, okay? I can't wait to try this on another generator. The exact same one as this. Can't wait to see what we get. I'll have to add up the total wattage I ended up getting. It was kind of hard seeing it from the outside, but I'm pretty sure we did over 50 amps. All right, guys, this has been the test of the Predator 9500 super quiet inverter generator. 9500 watts starting, 76 running. We just ran this test and I'm amazed. Here's a generator. You can run 2 AC, your refrigerator, water heater, electric water heater, and still get over 50 amps. We got it right about 55 amp. I think the generator did great. I did not want to overload the generator just yet. I will overload it once I get some more runtime on it and I do some comparison to test which one's better. We're going to be testing this against 2 generators, the exact same design. That's coming up, so stay tuned for that. Guys, if you're watching the video, go ahead and push the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. I know you guys are watching. Just hit that subscribe button. It really helps my channel. Okay? I just wanted to show you guys that you can get 50 amps plus to run your 50 amp RV. And I'm pretty sure next time we're going to get it up there and overload it. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching Gavin's Garage. Have a nice day. Bye.